Hey folks, in this video we will be taking you through the loading and firing of this cannon here. And if you're interested in owning a cannon, our email contact information is at the front of the video. First things first, we cut a fuse to about this length, put it inside the hole here. I forget what the name of the hole is. Second thing we do, grab our gunpowder. We put about a capful, or he had me put a capful in. He said sometimes he puts 2 capfuls for a bigger boom. Today we're just dry firing, no ball in there, so we just put a capful here. Making sure, of course, you don't bust a cap right here. All right, then next we're gonna take our what they call wads, which is just square pieces of cloth. In this case, square pieces of t-shirt, and we're gonna jam about 6 of them in there. One at a time, using a wood dowel. You don't want to use anything ferrous that might cause a spark. And next up, we'll be firing off this little feller. Again, we're not gonna have a live round in it. It'll just be powder and a wad jammed down in there.